Personal knowledge management system for the developer. As a developer, we used to have a lots of source code, and we need to use this source code for our personal knowledge management system. Using other application like Obsidian or Notion, mostly for the techs and mostly for the people who have a general knowledge and they want to do personal knowledge management system. But as a developer, we used to have a lots of code. So in this system, I use Visual Studio Code and use some extension. The list of all extension that I'm using in here uh, in this extension for Visual Studio Code, you can use this one to install all of them. And if you want only use for your personal knowledge management system, you can use this extension. Draw node, code snap, mark map to create a mind map like from the markdown page, and this one to draw images and for example UML and so on, and foam. This is the basic and most important extension for the personal knowledge management system, and it add a lot of different idea from the Obsidian inside your markdown. You can forward and backward link. You can add a lot of different template and journaling and so on inside your code. Later on in next videos, I will explain each of them in detail, and I explain how you start with all these extension and create your template and personal knowledge management system for your information that you have.